Dogs and humans have lived side by side for thousands of years. But just how similar are we to our furry companions? While dogs and humans share some surprising similarities, there are also significant differences that set us apart. Let's start with the similarities. Both dogs and humans are social creatures. We thrive on companionship and form strong bonds with others. Dogs, like humans, can experience a range of emotions, including joy, fear, and even jealousy. They also have the ability to understand human gestures and facial expressions, making communication between our species possible. Physically, dogs and humans share some basic biological traits. We both have hearts, lungs, and digestive systems that function in similar ways. Our brains also have comparable structures that control emotions and memory. However, the differences between dogs and humans are substantial. Humans have a much more developed prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for complex thinking, decision-making, and self-awareness. This allows us to engage in abstract thought, plan for the future, and have a sense of self that dogs do not possess. Dogs, on the other hand, have superior senses of smell and hearing compared to humans. Their noses are up to 100,000 times more sensitive than ours, allowing them to detect scents we can't even imagine. Their hearing is also far more acute, capable of picking up sounds at much higher frequencies than humans can perceive. Another key difference lies in our social structures. While both species are social, human societies are far more complex, with intricate cultural norms, laws, and institutions. Dogs, in contrast, have simpler social hierarchies based on pack mentality. Despite these differences, dogs and humans have formed a unique and powerful bond. Over millennia of domestication, dogs have evolved to understand and respond to human cues in ways no other animal can. They can read our emotions, follow our pointing gestures, and even understand some of our language. This special relationship has led to dogs being called man's best friend. They serve as loyal companions, working partners, and even therapeutic aids for humans. The bond between dogs and humans demonstrates that while we may not be exactly alike, we have found ways to connect and communicate across species lines. In essence, while dogs and humans share some fundamental similarities as mammals and social creatures, we are distinct species with our own unique traits and abilities. It's these differences, combined with our shared capacity for bonding, that make the relationship between dogs and humans so special and enduring.